Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make corn fried rice. Take 1 cup of boiled corn seeds in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little salt, and 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Sprinkle a little water and mix well. Ensure that all the seeds are coated with the masala. Heat oil in a thick bottomed pan over low flame and deep fry the corn seeds. When it turns crispy, take it out and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over high flame. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Stir continuously and add 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped beans, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot, and 1/4 cup of thinly sliced cabbage. Saute this for some time and add 3 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a little salt. Saute this for some time and add 1 cup of fried corn seeds. Saute this for some time and add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum. Stir well and add 3 cups of cooked rice. Mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 3 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onion greens. Stir well and turn off the flame. Corn fried rice is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.